say hi to Dopey. Get up.
Silly girl.
It was definitely very, very full last night. Let me see. We survived last night. It was a late night, or shall I say more like an early morning. I think by the time we got the kids finally settled in and in bed, somehow everyone ended up in our room, in our bed. It was about 3 o'clock. And it is about 8:45 now. So we're running on coffee, fumes, and Disney magic today. Just going to take a nice little resort day, going to the beach club for breakfast for Cape May Cafe, something we've never done before. And then after that, probably going to Disney Springs and just hanging out. And last night I was able to get us a last minute reservation for Artist Point tonight. So looking forward to a good day, good relaxing day. Oh, the breeze feels amazing. So just getting to Beach Club, some idiot forgot the diaper bag at our room, so I gotta pick up some diapers and wipes. Oh wait, it's me, I'm the idiot. Every family resort needs one of these. Mm-hmm.
Alright, pull this one
Pull
out.
that one out, Faye.
What did we get?
Another ducky.
Well, they're all duckies. A flounder!
Hog juice. Enough said.
Oh, so nice. You look at Daddy. Daddy, get a picture with this. Okay? Look at Dad.
Yep, you like Goofy?
You like Goofy? Oh, no, we got food.
He likes food.
Yeah, food. Here, 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 here. Start with Marvin. Yeah, here. Right here. One of them days. Oh,
Oh boy, pretty girl.
yeah. You like Minnie, don't you, baby? High five? Good boy. Now smile at Daddy real quick and take a picture. Oh. So nice.
Perfect. Thank you, Minnie.
So much, Minnie. That was great. Oh. Thank you, Minnie. High five. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Minnie.
Can I have that? Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi to Daisy.
Oh, so nice.
He loves some pretty girls.
Yep. You like her outfit? Oh, yeah, her mouth. Okay.
She gonna bite you.
Gonna take them fingers. Yeah, she's so pretty. Oh, I know, you're checking it all out. Very interesting. Oh, yeah, she got lashes for days.
I like Bluey.
Faith, you got Daisy right here and you're worried about Bluey?
Chopped liver Daisy, you know?
Daisy, I'm so sorry. Please, Daisy.
Says, huh? Are you He's just loving on her. He's just like, yep, this is my spot.
He's like, I'm gonna take a nap now.
Right? Alright. Hi, Donald. Look, you want to say hi? Say hi to Donald. Look, Donald. Yeah, we like Donald in this house.
Oh yeah, we do. That's right. You're my hero.
Yep, we're duck people. Yep.
That's you, Mommy.
Yeah, the hat, yep. That's impressive. Like Donald. Oh, you love Donald. You want to get up and take a picture with him? Yeah, look at Donald. What? Aww. Yeah, that's Donald. Say thank you, Donald. We appreciate it. Bye.
Just finished up breakfast at Cape May Cafe. Overall, I would say I'm glad we did. It was a good experience, but I'm probably going to be a one and done. The characters, obviously, the kids absolutely love them. It's a buffet with kids. Kind of challenging, so yeah, at that point, the characters are going to be worth it. Oh, I think someone wants to say hi to the camera. Never fails. One of us always gets stopped. I love the smell of this place. Just ended up picking up one of Faith's Christmas gifts, and they ended up giving me an extra 10% off just because I used the Donald voice. So apparently it paid off for once. No line for the Lego store? Are you kidding me? I'm right here.
both of us, okay? And you already have Christmas. Perfect. Thank you so much. This is a neat idea for the family. You can use one ornaments. Okay. Okay,
Thank you
perfect.
so much.
Should we get a castle? I think we should get a castle. Faith, Rose, if you touch those one more time.
Just heading back over to the room now from Disney Springs. Jan got to go to Gideon, so first time we're gonna get to experience that. Just went to the Lego store, World of Disney, Crystal Arts. Then they got to do the little Christmas tree, a thing that Jan and Faith really wanted to do. So we'll see how that goes. But now we're just gonna go rest up. Got a dinner reservation at Artist Point tonight, so see what we can get into after that. You just chilling by the fire?
Faith, do you want to go down and look at the pinboard real quick? Yes. Have the dice. Okay, you want to eat dinner? You will go in timeout.
Just got checked into Artist Point for dinner. Let's go get our Snow White on.
He's a dopey high five. Good boy.
Faithy! Go say hi to Dopey. Get up.
Silly girl. Yeah.
Oh, you want a hug too?
Oh, that's so nice. See, he looks like Daddy.
Normally I'd be insulted, but any comparison to you, my friend, is I'm doing all right.
Oh, you're happy, aren't you? Yeah, you like seeing Dopey. That's very nice. Thank you, Dopey. We
Thank you, Dopey.
There you go. Good job.
What? Grumpy ain't gonna hurt you. He's a softie. He just doesn't like to admit it. Go on, go give Grumpy a hug. Come on, go get him. Faith, go get him.
If you don't want to, it's okay. High five. Okay.
Well, Will wants to.
Yeah, Will's like all about it. Like, hi. You don't mind. Thank you, Grumpy. Thank you.
Thank you, Grumpy.
That's better than Grumpy. We didn't go well with Grumpy. Say hi.
William, look, Dopey's here.
Yeah. Oh, I know.
Yeah. You know the biggest area where Dopey and Daddy are different?
Dopey, that's...
Dopey don't talk.
Yeah, I wish. I wish.
Down here. Have a picture for your friends.
Yep, she wants to get in her good graces.
Yeah. She's scared of the Queen.
Dopey's got her. Yep, Dopey's got her.
See, Dopey will protect you.
Did good. Yep.
I knew we could count on you, my good friend. Look. All right, she's better now. Come on.
Oh, yeah. She's trying to get in her good graces.
All right, give her my. There you go.
There you go. Bye, Grumpy.
Thank you, Grumpy.
How do you do? Can you go say hi to Snow White?
Faith, go say hi to her.
Took her a minute.
Hey, would you like to get a portrait together, my dear?
Can we take a picture? Can you just stand by her?
Yeah.
There you go. Daddy's got it.
Well, look.
On your castle.
You see the pretty girl?
You look at Daddy.
You see the pretty princess? Uh-huh.
There you go.
There we go. Yeah. Now you can flirt. She's not technically taken yet.
Do you like all of your fish friends? You must be friends with the animals too.
Oh yeah. We like animals.
I do hope that you have the most wonderful evening, my dears.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Hi.
Thank you, Snow White. Oh,
Faith, come over here.
Faith, look, she's coming to see you.
They were very
Thank you.
big smiles.
Perfect. Show that to him. Thank you.
Of course. Storybook dining, once again, without question, the best character meal in Disney property. Character interactions were just awesome. Faith was so scared about meeting the Queen, and we ended up having so much fun with that. And then the food. The food is always great, worth every penny of it. So very glad we did that. And now it looks like we're probably going to go to the pool because Mother Nature actually seems to be cooperating for once. Come get me, boy. Will, look at it. Come get Dad. Whew. Challenging night. Got to get the kids in the pool, which was nice. And then Faith just started melting down and had to get everyone settled in. Got everyone tubs. And then everyone just kind of passed out. The kids just, Faith didn't even try to fight going to sleep, which was a very welcome sight. Will passed out in his crib. We ended up putting him in timeout and he just kind of fell asleep in there, so that was really nice. So hopefully tomorrow goes a little bit smoother. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. We certainly hope you like what you saw. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you can be notified of all future content. Please stay tuned for day 5, in which we head back to Magic Kingdom and then end the day at Hollywood Studios. So plenty more family adventures yet to come.